Walmart grocery delivery. Learn how to order groceries online and have them brought right to your door. This presentation is a collaboration between LEARN Idaho and Idaho Community Care Program. What you'll learn today: how to set up a Walmart account, how to shop online or in the app, how to choose delivery, and how to pay. What you'll need: a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer, email address and password, internet connection or cellular data plan if you're using a smartphone, and a payment method. That's a bank card or bank account or EBT, and EBT is not available in all areas. Let's go through the process of setting up Walmart.com on your laptop or desktop computer. On your computer's browser, this is however you access the internet, maybe via Chrome or Safari or something else. Go to walmart.com. Type that into your search tab. Now we'll add your address so Walmart knows your closest store. Click on Pickup and Delivery, and then click on Add Address. This will open up a place for you to add your first name, last name, street address, an apartment number, city, state, zip code, and your phone number. Make sure you click Save. Next. And then that will display the closest store to you. In this example, it's Boise Supercenter on Overland Road, and you can click on that to select. In order to use this service, you'll need to create a new account. In the upper right corner, you'll see Sign In Account. Click there, and then the first step is to click on Sign In or Create an Account. The next step, number 2, is to add either your phone number or your email, and they will check to see if you already have an account. If you don't, you'll start the process of creating your own. So make sure you next click Continue here in step 2. And then step 3 is the process of creating and giving your information to Walmart for your new account. First name, last name, phone number, and you'll be asked to create a password in this step. Make sure you write that down and keep it in your records. There's also a question here. It's automatically checked, as you'll see where the question mark is in step 3. It's allowing it to send emails about new arrivals, hot items, daily savings, and more. These are marketing emails. If you don't want those, please uncheck this box and then click Continue. You will now be asked to verify your account. A code will be sent to the cell phone number you entered when creating your account. Then you'll receive a text with the code from Walmart to your cell phone. As you see in the example here on the left, it's a text message with a 6-digit code. That will be entered into the verification code space in the sign-up process. You'll enter it exactly as you've received it. Then click Verify and Create Account. You'll be asked next if you want to sign in with a pass key so that you don't have to remember a password. You can either go through that process by clicking on Create a New Pass Key, or you can skip for now by clicking there. You may see this pop up when you're doing the sign-up process. It's an opportunity to sign up for Walmart Plus with a monthly fee after a 30-day trial period. This has benefits and free delivery, etc., and is $12.95 a month currently at this recording in October of 2025. If you don't want this, simply click this X, and that will move you to the next part of this process. You'll need to add your payment method, either a bank card or your bank account, etc. So now you'll notice in the top right corner that it will say a greeting to you, hi, and your name, and have account underneath it. Click there, which will now display a drop-down menu, and click on account. Or you can go to this gear, which you'll see in the middle of the screen, and click on settings to find the place where you add your payment methods. Now you'll see that it's opened up your wallet and you have the ability to add new payment methods. You can now add your payment method to your wallet. It will have a space for you to enter your credit card number and other information there. If you want to, you can also add a bank account by connecting to your bank, or you can connect it to PayPal. You'll need to do each one of these steps one at a time. Make sure that you click on the bottom to save whatever it is that you're trying to do. In this instance, it's showing you Save Card, and you'll make sure you click there. And now we're going to confirm that it has your selected Walmart store based on your location. You can confirm this by clicking on the left-hand side where it says pickup or delivery, and the drop-down menu will display your selected store. Click on that and you'll see that you have an opportunity to toggle a switch on where it says set as my preferred store. Click on that and then save. Now you're ready to shop, and you can add items to your cart for purchase. So right under that pickup or delivery button, you'll see departments, and you can click on that, and that will display and drop down a menu with a variety of departments within Walmart's store. You may have to scroll around to find what you need. Don't forget to scroll down to display everything. Here we're going to click on grocery, and then you'll see that it opens up the grocery departments. You can shop by category. You'll see pantry, meat, seafood, frozen, etc. You can click on those, or you can also search within the search menu for the item that you're looking for. Let's talk about how to check out. Here in this example, you'll see that we've added peanut butter. So we've clicked on the creamy peanut butter and we've added one. You can also add more than one, or delete to remove it and delete from your cart. Here we have one creamy peanut butter added to our cart. We've made sure that we have selected delivery, but you can see you could also select pickup. Shipping is not available for this item. And so in the top right corner of your web page of walmart.com, you'll see your grocery cart. Now you see that we have one item in our grocery cart. By clicking there, we can have a drop-down menu that shows us what's in our cart and helps us start the checkout process for this item. Continuing our checkout process, we see that we have delivery from store selected, and a date can be selected, either the day that you place the order, if the option is available, or on any other day following. And then you select the time that works for you. And then the next step will be a confirmation of the delivery time and date, and location of delivery, and the delivery fee. And then you'll click on Continue to Checkout. In this option, you see that we've toggled on or selected pickup by clicking there. And that will then tell you the location of where you'll be picking up your groceries, and the time and the date. You'll press Continue, and it will give you a confirmation of that information. You can also select that you want to bring your own reusable bags, or you want your items bagged by the store. Then you can continue on with the next step, which is the payment method, and you select which of your payment methods you want to use for this transaction, and then click Continue. Now let's go through the process of setting up the Walmart app on your smartphone. There are a lot of similarities in these two processes, but you'll see that it looks a little bit different on your phone. On your cell phone, you'll download the Walmart app. iPhone users will look for the App Store on their phone. Android users look for Google Play. Here are what the icons look like on your phone. The iPhone is a blue icon that says App Store. Android is a colorful triangle icon called Google Play. So you'll search for Walmart's app and then install or open and download that app to your phone. Again, the process for setting up on your smartphone has all the same elements as setting up on your internet browser, Chrome, for example, but it can look a little different. So if you've already created an account, you can simply sign in with your email and password. If not, you're going to create an account now on your smartphone. You're going to sign in either with a phone number or an email. Then you will share your location, so click Continue here, and then enter your zip code and search, and that will notify Walmart.com and the app where you are located so that it can find a nearby store. When you see this screen, you can choose to get notifications to receive updates on ordering status. You can also say maybe later and set this up in your settings at a later time. But this would be how you would receive text messages, etc., about your order status, so you can click on Get Notifications. Now we're going to be back on the main screen and click on Account that you see in the bottom right-hand side of your phone screen. Now you have the opportunity to add your personal information to the app. Here, if you already have an account that you've signed up for on your desktop, you can sign into the app with your phone number or email, and it will recognize you and ask for the password. If not, if this is your starting point for creating an account, you will add now your phone number or email, press Continue, and then the screen next will give you an opportunity to add your personal information here, including creating a password. Remember, write that password down or keep it somewhere safe. Also, you'll see that box that is checked, which says send me emails about new arrivals, hot items, and daily savings and more. Uncheck this if you don't want to receive marketing emails and press Continue. There's a two-part verification process when you're setting up your app. First is typically email, and you'll see the screen on your left which says for your security you'll need to confirm it's you by entering a verification code we sent to your email. So you'll have to go and open your email account and find the email from Walmart that will say, "Hi, here's your verification code," and it will give you those 6 digits which you will enter into the screen within the Walmart app and press Continue. And then it'll ask you to repeat this process via your cell phone number. And so this screen will pop up and ask you to enter a 6-digit verification code that they send to your cell phone number. And you'll open your cell phone, and in messaging, you'll receive this 6-digit code from Walmart via a text message. And then you'll enter it into these spaces exactly as it is in the message. Then click Verify and Create Account. Now we're going to add payment methods to the app. Remember, if you've already signed up on your laptop or computer on the browser, this information will be automatically added to your app. But here we're starting from scratch as though we haven't got the account set up. And so now you need to add payment methods by going to the top of your screen, top right, and clicking on that gear, which is Settings. It opens up Settings, and then you can scroll down and click on Wallet and click Add New Payment Method, and then go through the process of adding your card or your bank account, etc., and then make sure that you save that card by clicking on Save Card. Now you're ready to start shopping and adding things to your cart. So in the bottom of your phone screen, bottom left, you'll click on Shop, and then you will be displayed a variety of categories. Make sure you remember to scroll down because there's more information if you scroll down. And then here you'll see that we see all grocery, and click on that to find groceries. You'll have other opportunities to confirm this, but remember that always at the top you'll find displayed shipping, pickup, or delivery, and you'll click on the option that you want, which then will give you the opportunity to select time, date, etc. And here we have an example of adding peanut butter to our cart. The first button on the first screen is to add to cart on the item that you want to select. You can then, as you see on the second image, you can say, I want 2 or 3 of that particular item. And now that is added to the cart, and you can then continue to check out. So what happens when your groceries arrive via Walmart delivery? The driver will leave your groceries at your door. It can be contact-free, meaning they'll just ring the doorbell and you don't have to engage with them. You typically will get a message when it's delivered on your cell phone or on your computer via email. And you can bring your items inside and check them off your list. What happens when you choose to pick up your order at a Walmart store? You'll just drive and pull up to the designated parking spot. These are in the Walmart parking lot. You'll have to look for them. There will be a sign. There will typically be a phone number or a way for you to contact the store to let them know that you're there, that they might even ask which parking space you're in. And then they'll come out. A representative will load your groceries into your car. And you did it. Now you can shop from home anytime, get groceries delivered, get things shipped to you, or even select to pick them up at the store. And again, this presentation is from LEARN Idaho and Idaho Community Care Program. In the notes in this video and YouTube, you'll find a step-by-step helpful guide that you can download and use for reference for this process. Good luck!